Hey there, future MDS warriors. If you're feeling lost in the syllabus jungle, confused about where to start, or just tired of feeling stuck, breathe. This video is your ultimate, get your life together, guide for NEET MDS prep. Okay, step 1, know your syllabus. You can't win a game if you don't know the rules, right? Start by dividing your subjects smartly. Here's the golden breakdown: dental subjects, high yield, high priority. You'll score big here. Medical subjects, high yield, general anatomy, general medicine, general surgery, pharma. These subjects will help to elevate your rank. Low yield, micro, physio, biochem, general path. Weightage of these subjects are 2 to 3%, so don't ignore them, but don't drown in them either. You can skip these subjects if you are aiming for rank less than 3000. Step 2. Let's talk planning, not the Pinterest aesthetic kind. I mean real, messy, working planning. Just sit and make a rough 1-week schedule. Why? Because when you write it down, your brain goes, "Oh, we're serious now? Okay, let's do this." Try. 1 subject maximum 4 to 5 days. Tough plus 1 light subject, total brain balance. Your choice. But stick to it. If you're feeling stuck in one subject, don't waste time, just change the subject, you can come to it later. Here's a pro tip: start with the subject that feels the least scary. For most, it's endo, pedo, or prastho, basically, your comfort zone. Why? Because confidence creates momentum. Once you get going, you'll feel like you can tackle anything. And now this is my personal favorite hack, and trust me, it works like magic. Stick a paper on your wall. Every time you finish a topic, mark it with a check mark. That little check mark, it gives your brain a tiny hit of dopamine, the happy chemical. Suddenly, studying feels a little like a game. Your brain's like, "Oh, another tick? Let's go." Step 3. First things first, make your own notes. Like, with your own hands. Your own handwriting. Your own brain. Why? Because writing helps you remember. You're not just copying, you are processing, filtering, and organizing info that your brain understands best. Even if your notes are messy or short, they're yours. They reflect your study pattern, your struggles, your aha moments. And hey, I'll be sharing some of my personal notes too, just to help you out. You can totally use them as reference. Bonus tip: what worked for me? Short, concise notes, 300 to 350 words max. Straight to the point. No textbook style paragraphs. I had 2 kinds of notes. 1. Proper detailed notes from live classes. Second one is quick revision notes, to revise key points quickly. Or just take pictures of your key notes and save them in your phone. Create subject-wise folders. You're waiting in line? Open ortho notes. Traveling? Revise some pharma flashbacks. Easy, accessible, free. Now the $1,000,000 question: what books should I use? Dental Pulse, the Bible of NEET MDS. More than enough. Seriously, don't hoard books. Dental Pulse Jod PYQS, Neeraj Vadhavan, full prep package. Everything's covered. But hey, don't just blindly solve MCQs. If you're not getting the concept, pause, go back to basics. Refer to standard textbooks, coaching notes, or even YouTube explainer videos. Just don't get distracted by 100 resources. Step 5. Start with Pulse. Take a question. If you know it, great. If not, just circle it and check the answer and move on. No shame. No panic. Even toppers didn't know all answers on day 1. Good things take time, including your accuracy. Let me share you my experience of how I tackled Pulse. First reading, go with the flow. Don't overthink. Just mark and move on. Second reading, focus on the ones you got wrong. Get the concept. Burn it in your brain. Third reading, feeling tired? No problem. Just flip through those marked questions again. You don't need 100% energy, just consistency. Do all the PYQs given in Pulse. They're pure gold. If it showed up once, it can show up again. Simple logic. Most important, read all the explanation. Step 6. Now comes the fun, and slightly scary, part. Mock test time. Create a real exam setup at home. Grab the Neeraj Vadhavan book. Set a timer. No phones, no breaks, just solve and then check your result. Solve all the PYQs at least twice. You'll learn how to manage time, pressure, and performance. Compare your mocks. Track your growth. And hey, if you're really putting in 100% effort, success won't be a surprise, it'll be inevitable. And finally, let me leave you with this: keep positivity. There'll be hard days. You might feel stuck, but don't lose hope. You can do it. अगर कुछ चीज दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उससे मिलाने में लग जाती है। So stay positive, not just today, but all the time. Your dream seat is waiting, let's go claim it. I hope these strategies truly helped you in your NEET MDS prep. If they did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, it really supports the channel. And hey, if you have any doubts or just wanna say hi, drop a comment below, I'll try my best to reply ASAP. We're in this together, let's crack it.